Hi everybody, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my original Ipsy bag, so let's get into it and check it out. This is the original Ipsy Glam Bag. You will have 5 products. They will generally be deluxe samples. Periodically we'll have a full-size product in here. It is $13 but $2 handling fee, so it's a $15 bag. And each month still with this one, you will also get a little zip top cosmetic bag. This is my October bag. You guys know we just did FabFitFun around here. So, oh, we're a little behind. It feels so plush. I didn't realize that it was like velvety. So it's the dark red with the black on it, and it's a real velvety feel. It feels posh. Oh, I should think of something to do with this for Halloween. It's kind of spider webby, and oh look, the pull is a bat. That is so cute. Okay, let's see what we have for paperwork. Sometimes in our glam bag, our paperwork will tell us a little bit about our products. Do I have paperwork? Sometimes it doesn't. I don't have any. Is that true? I have 0 paperwork this time. Nothing. I don't have the little thing that tells us when we're going to do our upcoming goodies or anything. Just no paperwork. That's the first time I think that's ever happened. It was probably an oversight. But no big deal, because I love the Ipsy app. When you go in and do the Ipsy app, it tells you a little bit about everything that you chose, about what they chose for you. So we'll go with that. First out, we have a Patchology Surf Chilled Rosé Hydrating and Protecting Sheet Mask. And it says it's a 5-minute mask. That's cool, because normally you have to be willing to lay down for 15 or 20 minutes. Oh, it's a 2-pack. Strawberry extract, resveratrol, hyaluronic acid, and it is eco-friendly. The top feels resealable. I wondered how they were going to do 2 masks in one bag, but you can tell it better from the back. See how that lump, it's like a little Ziploc to make it resealable? And online it tells us everybody loves rosé to help them chill out and relax. This one, in the form of a sheet mask, is suitable for all ages and skin types. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, resveratrol, and strawberry extract to help protect and calm your skin from inflammation and free radicals. And it says best served chill. Pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes before using for gorgeously glowing results. That sounds lovely. We are into October. It has been super cool around here. Next week, going back to cold again. Today, 80 degrees. Okay, next out, we have Bodyography Professional Cosmetics Eye Pencil. Just turn my lighting down a little bit so you guys can see the boxes better. It looks like my box didn't make it well. Be right back. It's gonna be one of those days. You know those days? You know why it's gonna be one of those days? Let's take a break, I'll tell you. First of all, it's 80 and it's been 60. My body is not adjusting. Second of all, because I still have this bump from when I fell nearly 3 weeks ago, I tried parting my hair on the other side to see, because we have a wedding tomorrow, if I could cover it up with my hair, which I cannot. Have you ever parted your hair on the other side? It's wrecked my entire day. Nothing seems right. I can feel my hair leaning to the wrong side. If you've done it, I know you know what I'm talking about. Okay, the eye pencil that we threw to the ground is in, we don't know yet. Okay. Ooh, looks like it might be gold. So it's just a sharpening pencil type situation. Ooh, it's a little bit dry, but the color is fantastic. I do like the color. This is a full size, by the way. It is an $11 value, and it is in Bale Bronze. And it says, this bronze coconut oil infused eyeliner glides effortlessly on your lids. No dragging or tugging here. The pencil's texture allows for precise application, delivering a crisp, clean line, but it can also be smudged for a sultry, smoky effect. You know what? Oh, see? My hair's on the wrong side. Okay. Let's try it on my eyes. Maybe my hand made it tug. Well, no. It's one of those ones, and now I have to finish it. It's one of those ones that you have to do in little chunks because, no, it won't go on smoothly from left to right. That said, as you're watching this, I'm sure you were seeing, I am not great with a pencil. It does look good, though. I did get a complete lay down all the way across. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'll get a little closer. Although I still have bad eyes, but let me try it over here. I haven't been doing that much with my eyes because I really don't want to draw attention to them. We have this wedding tomorrow. Oh, look, mascara on my eyelid. Perfectly done, Catherine. We have this wedding tomorrow, and I had so hoped. I mean, I bumped my head 3 weeks ago. It feels like it's getting creamier. Maybe it just needed me to warm the tip. But I really thought I would be better for the wedding, or at least I hoped I would. I'll get a little bit closer. I don't know if you can see the gold on it, but it did seem to get smoother as I used it. So maybe it just needed, I feel like I can see it. Maybe it just needed a little bit of warming up, and I will warm it up. Your girl's always warm. We have Extremely BB Cream by Ciaté London, a nice little trial size. That is what it looks like. Go ahead and open this up. I don't see anything on here that talks about a color. The closest I can find is on this little thing on the overwrap. It says BB Cream -100. So maybe the color is 100, but that is what it looks like when we take it out. We'll put a little bit on my hand and see if it's gonna match me. I am happy, ooh, comes out very nicely. I am happy to try any of the BB creams. Ooh, the color match is really nice. Can you guys, you probably can't. Can you guys see where I just put it? It matches me so nicely. It's difficult to see. It feels really good too. Kind of a cross between really light cream and kind of moussey. It smells like makeup. Wow, that is like a perfect match on my hand. If that matches as nicely on my face, I will for sure try it. It is a 7 ml Deluxe Mini BB Cream. Why have average skin when you can be extraordinary? This BB cream gives your complexion a touch of coverage. Perfect for those no makeup days, good for you ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3 and B5 offer serious hydration, while vitamin E and jojoba oil help soothe and calm your skin. I like all of those words. So if I like it, I hope that its number is 100 and I can work out how to get it again. Okay. Next up, we have our brush. Technically, we would consider this, oh, it's a blending type brush. We would consider this a full size too. It's a little big for your eye. I imagine they're probably gonna tell me they're thinking highlighter, but I love the idea because I just love to take a neutral tone that I use as kind of a camouflage and just dip into it and then all over my whole eyelid. And this feels like it would be nice for that. Also be good for a highlighter. Let's see what their opinion is. Actually, the brush says it's for concealer. I probably wouldn't use it for concealer. You use your brushes however you want. This is from Half Caked. They say it has an $11 value. Say hello to your new favorite concealer brush. This tapered brush is a true multi-use marvel that blends liquid, cream, and powder products into even the smallest contours of your face. I mean, it's a hard sell on that, but I don't think, yeah, I just don't think that's what I would use it for. Generally, I don't use a brush with mine because I do a full beat with all of my makeup, but I'll probably use it on my eyes. And last out, but not least out, is my choice, and it is an eyeshadow palette. And when you get the original Ipsy product, actually with any Ipsy product, you have choice. With this bag, you have one choice. With your other 2 boxes, the BoxyCharm box and then the, what is it even called now? The Icon box, you also have 3 choices. I'm having a hard time keeping up. This is Lash Step Matte About You. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it is very, very neutral. You know what, guys? It doesn't have the plastic on it covering it. I'm going to stay as far away from it as possible. I'm going to go ahead and leave that untouched. You guys see me open all of the shadow palettes on this channel, and I have so many neutrals. I will keep this to pass along. Okay, that was my regular Ipsy bag. It's the original. It is $15 by the time you do the shipping and everything on it. You will receive 5 products. I chose this eyeshadow palette as my choice product, and it says it has a $45 value. That's a little pricey. Lash Step Matte About You eyeshadow palette. If this isn't the most essential eyeshadow palette, we don't know what is. With 12 universal shades ranging from milky white to jet black, you'll have everything you need to spice up your eyes. So, $45 value. We have our brush that was an $11 value, as I recall. Our eyeliner, also an $11 value. A sample BB cream, which felt really nice, and 2 face masks that you can chill. They only take 5 minutes. They sound lovely. And this adorable bag. That is my Ipsy for October 2023. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I can answer them, I certainly will. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy, but I will put a link down below to take you over to them if you would like to go over and check it out. Thanks for coming by. I hope I see you again next time. Take care, guys.